When life gives you lemons, make them lemonade. How about you? What do you do with the lemons? Lemon is the secret ingredient that makes everything taste better. Adding lemon juice or zest to the dish, sweet or savory, changes its whole flavor profile. Today, we are going to make 3 dishes from lemon along with other ingredients like herbs, which are basil, curly parsley, and mint, all harvested from my garden. To show these 3 recipes together in one episode, it will take longer, so I decided to make it 3 consecutive episodes. In these episodes, I will show you how to prepare special and simple lemonade, lemon fried chicken wings, and simple pasta with lemon, butter, and garlic sauce. Let's get started! Welcome to my backyard and let's get some lemons. There are lots of things you can make out of lemon, and I will discuss with you along with my guest, my friend, some of the tips of what we can make out of lemons. Okay, let's get some basils for our lemon fried chicken wings. I learned that basil tastes so good with fried chicken, another alternative from rosemary's. It has an Asian flavor that originated from the Taiwan popcorn chicken recipe. Parsley. Parsley is particularly rich in vitamins A, C, and K. That means it may improve your bone health, it may protect you against chronic diseases, and may provide antioxidant benefits. There are 2 kinds of parsley. Mine is curly parsley. You can incorporate dried or fresh leaves easily into your diet by adding them to soups, salads, marinades, and sauces. In this content, I will add parsley into my lemon sauce pasta. We're gonna get more herbs. Curly parsley is for our spaghetti, and this one is for chicken. We need to put something in our lemonade. So let's go get some mint. It smells so good. I'm gonna need plenty of this because this is so refreshing when you put this in your refreshment. Alright, think this is good enough. Look at that. That's it. That's the harvest for today. Let's go. There you have it, guys. I took 8 big lemons from my tree, enough fresh mints, basils, and curly parsley. There is a saying that when life gives you lemon, make them lemonade. And today, what we're going to do first is our lemonade. So it's a special lemonade. So just watch me how to do it. So let me just cut every lemon that I have. After cutting the lemon, now we need to squeeze them and use this squeezer. Look at this big one. Squeeze them like this so it will be efficient and faster. Oh, by the way, while I'm doing this and filming this, I have a guest watching me, like watching me live. None other than Miss Delia Imata. Shout out for Olokbalin! Shout out to Delia Imata and friends. It's right here. So let me see. We need about 2 cups of lemon juice. After you squeeze them, measure them in this measuring beaker. I need 2 cups of lemon juice, fresh from my backyard. 2 more cups, so up to here. Probably another 3, 3 pieces. Squeeze pa more. Yep. Smells so good. There's so many things that you can do with lemon. Number 1 is lemonade. Number 2 is the one I'm gonna cook. 1/4 cup of lemon juice plus 1 gallon of water. You can use that for watering your orchids. You're gonna have a lot of flowers from your orchid. Another one is you can use this for cleaning. You know that, right? Dilute it with water and keep cleaning your countertop, table, kitchen. Also, you can use this for sinigang. Instead of sampalok, you can use it as lemon sinigang. You can use it also for adobo. Okay, according to my guest, it is also good to put underarm. Like for what?
No, pampaputi.
Oh, to make your skin brighter or to make
Whiten your underarm.
whitening. Okay, so according to her, you can use the lemon juice for whitening your underarm. Never heard that. But I'm not gonna try it because my underarm already white.
What? So meaning mine is.
You know what I mean? So I'm done squeezing. I have 4 lemon left. Remember, the goal is have 2 cups of lemon juice. And let's see if we have 2 cups already. Not enough. 4 more squeezing. Yep. So a total of 8 lemons. Transfer it to our pitchel. Set this aside and cut this like about a 1/4 inch. And you're gonna use this for your decoration later. Put this one inside like that. Now we're going to make our simple syrup. Since we have 2 cups of fresh lemon juice, we are going to use the same ratio of 2 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar. You can see that the liquid looks all milky. You want to stir this over the heat until it goes clear again. The heat is what allows the sugar to dissolve completely. If you just put in cold water and threw it together, you would have something, but this will create a smooth, textured, simple syrup that will be perfect for our lemonade. Now that our simple syrup is done, we are going to pour the simple syrup in this pitcher. Let's do it. Plenty of ice. Give it a stir. Put this mint. Give it a stir. The aromatic combination of mint and lemon is so relaxing. It looks so refreshing. I can't wait to have a drink. So guys, let's taste this special lemonade. Fresh lemon juice from my tree. Fresh mint from my garden. It's just the right proportion of ingredients. Let's see. Sarap. It's so good. Let me get my straw. Put the straw and you're good to go. Let's taste it.
Yeah.
Wow. Cheers. This lemonade is a good refresher for this appetizer, the lemon fried chicken wings, which I will show you in episode number 2. The lemon fried chicken wings could be the main dish, just provide a side dish, which is our spaghetti with lemon butter garlic sauce, which I will show you in episode number 3. And this concludes my presentation for today. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. Thanks for watching the Forlitz Sky. See you next time.